Hi guys, Jeff here from Benteh STEAM Academy. Here today we're just going to go into the next iteration of our next STEM kit, which is going to be these here, the 3D doodlers. Basically it's a 3D pen. Think about an artistic hot glue gun, if you will. Kind of works like that. So let's just dive right on into it. So as we begin here, we begin with just opening the box. Really nice packaging. Therefore, nice product. First thing that we pull out here, if I can grab it, is we have our build platform. This works as a grid that you can use as like a snap grid for building whatever it is you're going to build. It also helps keep the place clean, whereas if you're doing it on a felt table like this, it would create a big mess with your filament being not in a solid state. The next, we've just got some literature here. It's for just instructionals, top to bottom. And now we get to the goods. We've got our filament here, which you've got various different colors. And we have the pen itself. And of course, our charging cable. Just a USB mini. Okay, so now that we have our 3D doodler out and everything is sitting here on the table here, we can kind of begin to talk about how this thing works. Essentially what this is just a handheld 3D printer. And the way that it works is you have a few different parts. You have the extruder, which is where your heated filament comes out of, which makes it the pen function. And this big orange button right here, that is your extruder button. And what that does is once you put the filament into this next part, once it feeds through there and heats up, you press this and it forces your filament, or otherwise your ink, out of the other end. And then this is where your filament goes. Really simple. You can feel it kind of warms up a tiny little bit, and that's by design. That's how it's supposed to be. So that being said, let's talk about some of our filament here. Today we're getting ready to take part in holiday events, and so I think what we'll start with today is showing a simple Christmas ornament. And so we start with our filament and it goes into the back of the hole, and you'll feel it have a nice solid click when it goes into spot like that. That's how you know everything is ready. And so we'll peel the protective layer off of our work space here, and we'll just start to let it extrude, and you'll hear it beginning to work. And what it's going to do is it's going to pull the filament through there, and eventually it'll start working out the other end, just like a hot glue gun. And it starts coming out. So today we're going to do a basic Christmas ornament. All you young artists out there are bound to be much better at this than me. And we'll go one more round just to give it a little bit more body. And so as the filament comes out, it's been heated and so it's more pliable, but as you leave it, what you're left with is just a plastic shape of whatever it is that you've drawn. Oh, and we're out of filament. So, as you can see, the snowflake slash Christmas ornament that we made here real quick took less than 5 minutes. It was relatively painless. There's all kinds of different things that you can draw inspiration from on the internet and Google. There's even some projects within this little booklet here that you can use as a guideline. But the challenge is that you're using your own imagination to try to come up and create things. So, we'll leave you guys with that and have fun with this kit. We'll see you next time.